of good ones. Make sure you're lined up shoulder to shoulder over there. Make sure you can be seen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, if you got a ticket, come and join us. Go ahead, go.
All right, Carnival Breeze. So now moving on to the next category. Right here we have the first couple. You guys are the Queen of Hearts and and the Man Rabbit. Great. And then here we have Mr. Clean and Dustman. And I still don't get this joke, but he says got crabs, and then his shirt says I don't remember eating corn. There must be something American because I don't remember. And you guys are Beetlejuice. And then we got Alicia and the man. Yes, of course. And then right here we got Open and okay, great. This shady. All right. Carnival Breeze, pick just one, the one that you want to move to the next round. Here we go. Give it up for couple number 1. Couple number 2. Number 3. You're doing great. I love it. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6.
I think we need to see between 3 and 4. Between couple number 3 and couple number 4.
It's actually I think it's number 2 and number 4. Number 2 and number 4. Okay. Here we go, Carnival Breeze. Give it up. Now you guys have couple number 1 and number 2. Here we go. Give it up for couple number 1. Number 2.
So close. One more time.
Give it up for number 1. Number 2.
And the winner is couple number 2. Congratulations. Give it up for all of our couples right now, folks. Give them a huge round of applause. And last but certainly not least, we have our groups category right there with Michelle. That's right. You're going to follow Michelle and do your little parade around our Lido deck. Come on, groups. All right, we've got the whole crowd.
Once again, we need only one group to go to the big final. So here we have the whole band of Scooby-Doo. Make some noise. Hey, but we also have the Adams family. How about the hippie ladies? Hey, I am not sure what you guys are. Runners, make some noise! Alright, but once again, only one group can move to the big final. So here we go. Give it up for group number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4.
Right, super close. But I think our winners are group number 2. The Adams family, give them a huge round of applause. Make some noise Now, we have to crown one ultimate champion. So if we could have the winners from each different round to please join us in the center floor. Come on down. All right, there we go. If you want a ticket, come to the center. Our winners from each round. There we go. All right. Now, Coco, what do you think? For us to have the best way to decide who our winner is, don't you think we should have a little bit of a moment for each costume person to show us a little something extra?
Exactly. So now, Carnival Breeze, we're gonna give him a few seconds to you guys to step forward and show us a little bit of your costume. You're gonna step forward and model a little bit. You're gonna do a little bit of acting, maybe a little dance move, so we can decide which one is gonna be the ultimate winner of our Halloween competition. Okay? So once again, you're gonna step one by one. You're gonna step forward and you're gonna give us a little act out, a little dance move. Yeah? So here we go. You ready, Erin?
I'm ready.
Because I'm so ready. Here we go. Contestant number one, come to the front. Yeah. Turn around. Oh, yeah. Good job. Contestant number two. Come on, Diana. All right, our family, what you got? Come on, step forward and give us a little act out. Come on, Monisha. Yes. That's the last couple of interviews. Come on. What you got? Give us a little music. All right, Carnival Breeze. You saw this. And now it's time to decide who is taking home this amazing trophy for our costume competition, Carnival Breeze 2021. You guys ready? Here we go. Give it up for contestant number one. Number two. Number three. Number four.
Carnival Breeze family, please make some noise for your costume contest champion, the Pinata! Excellent job. Thank you guys so much. Can you give everybody that came out tonight with those costumes on, can you give them a huge round of applause? We've got a very special bottle of champagne. It's super warm, so enjoy that. And then we've also got a pumpkin full of candy and your costume contest pumpkin trophy. Give our Pinata champion one more huge round of applause. Now folks, this party's not over. I want everybody to fill up this dance floor as quickly as possible because it's time to do a little bit